The Millionaire Mind Account. The secret of a self-made millionaire is simple. Before you can earn your first million and manifest it in your bank account, you must deposit it first to your internal bank account. This is called the Millionaire's Mind Account. Remember that everything is created twice. First is the financial blueprint, the mind creation. Second is the financial reality, the physical creation. Without the blueprint, there would be no concrete reality. You should learn and adapt first the irrefutable qualities of the millionaires. You must cultivate consistently abundant mentality. Focus your attention on creating a higher level of wealth consciousness. Mind your own business and apply or practice the principle of leverage. If you do, 90% of your wealth building process is already assured. The remaining 10% is just methods and procedures. The mind, if properly trained in wealth awareness, is the most powerful leverage in the attainment of any financial goals in the business of life. Based on research, there are 21 most common qualities practiced by self-made millionaires. Number 1, dreamer, visionary. 2, entrepreneurial, innovator. 3, intuitional, creative. 4, proactive, responsible. 5, futurist, possibility thinker. 6, leader. 7, goal oriented. 8, focus direction. 9, purpose driven. 10, passionate. 11, committed. 12, decisive. 13, determined. 14, disciplined. 15, hardworking. 16, result oriented. 17, systematic. 18, empathic. 19, learner. 20, adaptable. 21, giver. According to T. Harv Eker, the law of income, you will be paid in proportion, in direct proportion to the value you deliver according to the marketplace. You will be paid in direct proportion to the value you deliver according to the marketplace.